Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about resistance in series and resistance in parallel circuit. So what is mean by resistance in series circuit? The circuit in which the resistance are connected end to end so that there is only one path for current flow is called series circuit. Let us consider R1, R2, R3 be the resistances connected in series. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. V is equal to I is taken as common into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Therefore, V is equal to I into RT. RT be the total resistance. So, the concept of series circuit is the current flowing in all parts of the circuit is same. For each resistance, there will be a voltage drop according to Ohm's law. The sum of voltage drop is equal to the applied voltage. So, resistances are additive, powers are additive, voltage drops are additive. There is some disadvantage in series circuit. If a break occurs at any point in the circuit, no current will flow and the entire circuit becomes useless. Now we will discuss about resistance in parallel. What is mean by resistance in parallel circuit? If one end of each resistance is connected to a common point and the other end of each resistance are connected to another common point, there will be as many paths for the current flow as the number of resistances. This is called parallel circuit. So this diagram shows R1, R2 and R3 be the resistance connected in parallel to the common point, and I1, I2, I3 be the current flowing through this point, okay, which is connected to the voltage source plus and minus V. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, that is equal to V divided by R1 plus V divided by R2 plus V divided by R3. V is taken as common, V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I is equal to V into 1 by RT. So what is the concept of parallel circuit? The same voltage across all elements. The all elements will have individual currents depending upon the resistance of element. So the total resistance of a parallel circuit is always less than the smallest of the resistances. Powers are additive, conductances are additive, branch currents are additive. So, due to these advantages, all electrical appliances are connected in parallel. We can switch on or off any light or appliances without affecting other light or appliances.